How's it going, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace your broken back cover. This is the iPhone. Other iPhones have the same, pretty much the same back cover and the same configuration, where basically there's two screws at the bottom, and there's a special screwdriver that you'll need, for you to take those screws. You can probably find that on eBay really cheap. Sometimes the actual replacements come with a free screwdriver. So let's go ahead and get started. So I already have my replacement here. So the first thing we have to do basically is just turn it over, and basically there's two screws that we need to take out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And be really careful because they're very small, very easy to lose too. So the next thing we want to do is that we want to slide this back cover forward or up like this, and then basically it'll come out. So now we're gonna just get our replacement. And so we're gonna use the same procedure, but now we're gonna slide it back or down. Okay. Just make sure it's all the way down. Now we're gonna put back those screws. And that's pretty much it. Now we're just gonna take this plastic out, and there you go. That's our replacement. Looks pretty good. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thank you.